Just 1 year ago, the Cardiff Youth Service in Wales and the Carlsbad High School Broadcast Journalism Programme in California joined together to form a groundbreaking international digital media exchange. A chance meeting between these two organisations led to a partnership bringing together talented student filmmakers and broadcast journalists who live a continent and an ocean apart. And yet, in many ways, they speak the same language. They are both storytellers. The inaugural 2023 Cardiff Content Creators Summer Programme won a National Youth Work Award, recognised for its innovation. In March of 2024, 6 young people and 2 staff members from the Cardiff Youth Service flew to San Diego, California. For 2 weeks, they joined the Carlsbad High School program for an immersive experience in journalism that ended with a trip to the world's largest broadcasting and filmmaking convention for teens. They learned alongside and competed against almost 3,000 students from the USA. In a moment that was made for a movie, the Butte Town Buzz, the Cardiff Youth Services broadcast, won a prestigious international award, the coveted STN Award of Excellence. Today, we are proud to showcase the 2024 Cardiff Content Creators Summer Showcase. Please sit back and relax. The program starts now.
That's all I can remember really is the police officer saying like it happened with the train, and I was like, I just couldn't believe it. Like I was just like, no, like it's not real, it's not happening. It was just like the most hardest day, hardest day that we'll never forget, but like the hardest moment of all our lives. We were just closer than close, do you get me?
Well, this year's Welsh winner is Nevaeh from Cardiff. She lost her older brother Levi when she was just 13 and says her grief kept her from school for long periods. Well, she was supported by Cardiff Youth Service and is now training to become a youth worker herself. She's been sharing her story with Wells Today.
My name's Nevaeh, I'm 18 years old and I'm a trainee for Cardiff Youth Service. I lost my older brother to a tragic accident. He was only 24 and I was 13. We'd walk into a room and the whole place would just light up from his smile and his energy. He was always joking about, he was so loving. He was like the dad figure that we never really had.
Things are always a bit more fun when you don't really know, what you're doing. Because then you don't know if you're making mistakes or not. You're just like, oh yeah, just wing it and just see what happens.
Mike Riddell, a local manager at Cardiff Skateboard Club, has been skating for over 20 years.
Definitely, it was like the Tony Hawk games got me into it originally. Sort of sparked my interest sort of thing.
From his time in the skating industry, Mike has noticed a change in who's been picking up the sport.
For years, it would only be young kids getting their first boards that you'd set up. But now, in the past 5 years or something, you're seeing more and more adults getting into it for the first time.
Mike's been thankful for the skating community and hopes to give back with his role as manager.
Hi, I'm Daisy. We're in Cardiff City Centre and we're going to be showing you some unique shops in Cardiff. Oh my god!
herself into.
Excuse me, what year is it?
It's 1865.
Until she finds some help.
Are you alright?
I've just been teleported from the future to the past.
From the future. We thought we were getting somewhere.
I thought that everything was going to be okay. But I was wrong.
A fault in time. Coming to theaters September 16th.
So when you put something into it, you can really all getting something back from it as well.
This is Maddie, a barista at Big Moose Coffee Company.
And so I found out about it on via Instagram, and I followed it for a while. I thought if the values of the coffee shop really aligned with my own values.
Big Moose Cafe is a popular place in the public. Mostly has special treats that not many people.
It's on charity which works to provide accessible mental health care for people in the community. They have a team of therapists within their office, and anybody can refer themselves or import into the mental health team, and they will get back to you within 24 hours.
Hey guys, my name's Chloe and this is my friend Pervy.
And today we're going to be going to the market, so
Let's go.
And today we're going to be going to the market, so let's go.
Tea is quite important in the UK, isn't it? It's a very cultural thing. It used to be something that only high-class people had. The motto was creating high-quality tea that anyone could have, really.
Tea is very important for British culture, so when we visit our tea shop, you can find anything you need.
Some people come here looking for the perfect gift for their loved ones, so it really depends from customer to customer. We speak with them, we get to know them, see what they're looking for, and then judging by their tastes, we help them find the right product.
People of Cardiff find comfort in the teas found here.
For a lot of people, it's something to look for.
I heard that Welsh people visit the castle, so I visited the castle.
I heard that Welsh people get the train from Cardiff Central, so I got the train from Cardiff Central too.
I heard Welsh people love coming to Cardiff for a cup of tea, so I came to Cardiff for a cup of tea.
I heard Welsh people watch sports at the Principality Stadium, so I watched sports at the Principality Stadium. I heard many people in Wales love going to Cardiff Market, so I went to the Cardiff Market.
Are you ready? I've been watching you. Meet me by the arch at the end of the road. Find the flower before it's too late.
You should have listened. Your time's up. Ready or not, this is just the start.
Today, we're at one of the only camera shops in Wales where we'll dive deep into one of the managers' lives, Tyler, to understand why he's so passionate about digital media and photography.
I'm the social media manager, so I get to do a lot of different things every day. I'm doing social media content, TikTok videos, YouTube, we do a podcast, we do stuff on Spotify. So when it came to picking up cameras, I found my thing and then kind of stuck with it. And I'm 30 now and still doing it.
Tyler found that Cardiff was lacking a quality store that provided what he needed.
Fills the need, you know, for people who want to buy cameras. This is the place they come to do it.
Ian, Tyler's friend and co-worker, sees their partnership as very beneficial in the workplace because they can feed off each other's ideas and share equipment.
That's why it's good to have colleagues like this that are around you to support your career.
Cardiff Market is the destination for food and all things tasty. It is a staple in the city of Cardiff and the world. Small businesses thrive with the diversity of customers and the community aspect the market provides.
Meet lots of different people.
And many of the businesses have been established for decades.
Well, it's a family business. We've been here since 1969.
Shop Cardiff Market for the greatest selection of goods and food.
Contestant, you've been selected to play in my game. Choose wisely and you will live. If not, you will face your fate.
Who are you? Why are you doing this? What do you want from me?
Don't you dare speak back to me. If you want to break free, you must learn to fear me. You want to know where you are? You want to know where you are? You're in the underworld. We'll be watching you. Try making it entertaining for us.
I started later on in life. I was a bit older and I didn't have any funding to do it, so I had to find my own way of doing it, which is why I sort of enjoy doing that sort of thing still now.
Simon Burgess.
In fact, my dad said, why do you want to do that?
A manager of the Makers Guild in Cardiff Bay, spends his time improving the lives of others through a craft-based charity.
And no one did a degree before I did a degree, so it was quite a sort of leap really, but and it was probably my art teacher saying that I was really not very good at art that made me do it and think I can prove her wrong.
In this 200-year-old building to my left by here, Simon managed to inspire so many people in the community despite the amount of challenges he had to overcome from his parents and his teachers.
Anyone can come and have a go, and we encourage people to learn through.
was fine, until it wasn't.
Hang on. Wait, look at this. Wait, why? Stop ignoring us.
We should have listened to the signs.
Alright, that's what I was saying. It's like 14th century, yeah?
But we chose to ignore them instead.
You can't get back.
Cardiff lies Wales' largest independent record store called Kelly's Records. Whether it's locals or tourists, the store is a very special place for people who have a passion for music, such as James.
My name's James Willicombe and I work at Kelly's Records in Cardiff.
James's love for music always draws him back to Kelly's Records, no matter what.
I've been working here on and off since I was about 14, just a Saturday job. And then once I went and did, kind of went to uni, did undergrad, masters, I came back here. Originally it was just for like 6 months or so, just to kind of like chill out and then look for something else related to my degree. But then fast forward 3.5 years, I'm still here.
Although Kelly's has been around for a while, the community and experience it fosters between music lovers is irreplaceable. Coming in day to day, James...
Located at the heart of the city centre, Cardiff Market hosts a wide variety of shops. Ashton's Fishmongers is a local favourite due to its rich history.
Obviously, the guy called Ashton was first owned this business in like 1800, and then it moved down to the Adams family, who then bought it now, and then the current bosses, they now have it.
One thing that makes Ashton's unique is the deep-rooted family values, which are evident amongst all of the staff.
It's not many employees, as you can see, so we get close and we kind of treat each other like family. So it's like family business in both ways, because everyone here is kind of like a big family.
Here at Ashton's Fishmongers, they sell everything from octopus to salmon, and it's all fresh.
Job is help employees like
So when we first opened, we were really adamant that we were going to be a very open, safe space for everyone that wanted to come. And we have a very big queer following, which we love so much.
Chelsea, a co-owner of a Scaredy Cat cafe, has been working hard to make the shop a vibrant and exciting place for everyone.
Inspiration for decorating. I really like a Mexican colour palette, really bright, beautiful colours, tiles.
Starting from scratch, Chelsea worked with partners to start a community where everyone would feel comfortable and welcome.
We came into this and it was a shell, and we just kind of worked up from there. We kind of wanted to create something in the city centre that there wasn't already.
Horrible condition. If I got put in the basement, at least I'd like it to be a good one. Look at these pipes, it's so dangerous. It's so cool up here, and the atmosphere, you can see all the stars, all the planets.
Here we learn about painting, how to paint, and how to make art.
Just come back from my tennis tournament, and today I was given this toy. I'm in my room of toys.
And also the restaurant is really nice, as you can see from the interior.
I like to make some original art, like portraits and stuff like that.
Life's not easy here in the Old West. The gold rush ended more than 100 years ago, and Tombstone is one of the last remaining old Western towns. We're proud folk. We don't see a lot of strangers around here, and when we do, we're real careful. The Race Rocket Saloon is one of those places where we're cautious about strangers. Sometimes you just can't trust a man who you don't know. Race, he's a good man. If he don't trust you, he'll tell you right up straight. He ain't gonna mess around. No question about that.
Howdy there, partner. Welcome to the Race Rocket Saloon. My name is Race Rocket.
Oh, hi mate. I'm just here to use your loo.
Well, hold on there, buddy. What is that there accent of yours? I ain't never heard that around these parts right here.
Oh, I'm just from Wales, mate. You know.
Wales? We ain't got no Wales around here. It's the middle of the desert, man. What are you talking about?
Wales. It's in the UK, mate.
We ain't got no U's and K's, man. We just got words and beer, man. What are you talking about? Hey, you said something about a loo? What? It was a loo.
You know, the loo. What are you on about? You know.
Do you mean like where you, like the bathroom?
No.
Like the outhouse?
The loo.
But you better just get out there with them horses, like by the hay bales and stuff. I don't know. We ain't got no loos around here, Mr. Whale. You better get out. Get out. Shoot. Get out of my way.
I feel like this experience has really developed my social side, as I feel like I've made a few friends that will hopefully be forever lasting.
All the Americans have just been amazing, so sweet and welcoming. Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
The one thing that was exciting about the camp is the police rocked up yesterday while we were filming in Butte Park because they heard random screaming and just happened to be walking past. So a guy went out and spoke to them, which was really funny.
One thing that I've taken away from this camp is I've learned to edit better.
The camp experience has been something very new, something obviously to learn every day. It's been cool to obviously meet a bunch of Californians and make some new friends and stuff, and learn about content creating has been really interesting.
Interviewing people was a really cool and fun experience because I really I find it really interesting to learn about other people's point of views.
The camp has given me some ideas for the future, like getting into the arts and filming and creating stuff like that.
The experience has been very fun, and it's been nice to have different people over here, and it's just been fun in general.
One thing I'll take away from this experience is that everyone has potential, and don't underestimate yourself, because you can be that person that you want to be.